Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. So in this video I'll like to show you the way how to edit the view only documents on a Google Docs. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Docs application and found the documents that is in a view only format. I already got this. So whenever you open it, there will be like an information about the format of this document, which is the view only. So whenever we want to edit this files, there is no access on it, or if there is no information about the format of the documents that pop up whenever you open the documents, go click the three small dots, because the below part of the titles there will be information about the format of the documents that you open. So if you want to edit this, there will be so simple. Go click these three small dots and you just need to go click this request to edit access, and then you just need to wait until the owner or the creator of these documents give you permissions to edit the documents. But then if you want to keep editing these documents real quick without any information, and you don't want to disturb the original format of this documents, you can just do this instead. Go click the three small dots, and after that go click the share and export, and go click make a copy. And now the Google Doc application will start copy every single words, every single format of these documents, and give you an access to edit the documents. So here, let's say you want to change the year here, so you just need to go click this pencils button, go type into this site, and then you just need to edit the rest. So that is the way how to edit the view only format documents on a Google Docs. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching guys, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.